Welcome back to the show. We are in East Wichita today, and we're with Shaun Delmar. You guys know him from Wichita Homeworks, the exterior specialist. We're talking about a home that you guys are actually currently working on right behind us. So Shaun, just tell us a little bit about it.
Well, on this project, we have probably about a fourth of the siding being replaced, just getting to the age where some of it started to deteriorate, swell a little bit from moisture. We are replacing a few windows, full paint job, and actually some concrete work will be going on for the sidewalk right behind us as well.
So these guys behind us are obviously working on the siding. Tell us what that process is like for them as they're working on that.
Well, mostly it's just, initially kind of finding where the rot is, what we need to be concerned with on getting that off of the house, replacing it. From there, really basically just boils down to prying each piece off. Once they get to that top piece that needs to be removed, got to be pretty careful not to damage the next piece above it. Pry it off of there, install a new piece, fasten it, caulk it all in, and paint it afterwards.
Call it good. You guys are the best at it. So tell us what someone, maybe a homeowner, should be looking for with their siding. That might be some telltale signs that there needs to be some work done.
Typically what you'll see is at the bottom edge of that lap siding, especially around nail holes, it'll start to swell up a little bit. You'll see signs that moisture's made it in, usually from the underside or around the nail head, and cause that siding to start to swell. So if you see any signs that it's kind of wavy or getting soft around those nail holes, that's the time to start checking it out and make sure you get that resolved before you have rot behind your siding.
So you guys are doing a lot here, big project on the exterior of this house. So along with the other things you told us, some concrete work here as well, right?
Correct. Yeah, they had some, their sidewalk starting to settle up near the front porch. They now have a pretty big step going up to their porch. They were ready to get that resolved, to get rid of the hazard. So we will go in and replace probably about 12 feet of their sidewalk and steps right in front of the house.
And what about the windows here?
We have 5 windows being replaced, just kind of matching up to their existing windows. They're doing an upgrade compared to what was in the house previously. So going to have a nice new set of windows in some of those rooms.
Yeah. And as we're getting here, warmer weather coming very soon, we hope, at least with the spring coming. If there's some projects from the exteriors of some houses, what are some things that you guys, along with what you're doing here today, what are some other things you can help homeowners with?
Really on the exterior of the house, just about everything, whether it be roofing, gutters, siding, masonry work, concrete, paint, all kinds of things.
You guys do it all, we know that. Tell us how people can get more information.
They can get us at our office on the phone at 316-303-4485, Facebook, Instagram, you name it.
Shaun's still on his high from KU winning last week the national championship. Thanks for being with us today, Shaun. We really appreciate it.
Chalk.
We'll let him say that. I'll stick with the email. Thanks, Shaun. That'll do it for this edition of Good Day Kansas. Check us out again tomorrow right here on KSN.